Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet a perfectly round pillow. And it'll be perfectly round every time. You can use these on a window seat, on a chair, on a sofa, or on a bed. And of course, Lucy had to check out the new pillow. She wondered what I was up to. I'm working with Bernat blanket yarn and a 9mm crochet hook. Start with a slip knot. And you're going to start with a foundation chain that is the length that you would like the total diameter of your pillow to be. So if I have a foundation chain of this size, that's the size that my finished pillow is going to be. Like that, see? Okay, now I'm going to slip stitch in the second stitch from the hook. And then I'm going to single crochet in each stitch across the row, but I'm going to slip stitch in the last stitch. So I'm going to single crochet in each stitch all the way across. To make a single crochet, insert the hook into the stitch, pick up the yarn and pull it through, pick up the yarn, pull it through both loops on the hook. So I'm going to go ahead and single crochet in each stitch all the way across the row, but I'm going to make a slip stitch in that last stitch. Okay, I've gone ahead and I've single crocheted in each stitch across the row. There's my last stitch. I'm going to slip stitch in the last stitch. And now I'm going to turn my work, and I'm going to slip stitch in the first stitch. And this row is going to be repeated over and over. So now I'm going to single crochet in each stitch across the row, working only in the back side of the stitch. So single crochet in each stitch all the way across the row. But when I get to the last stitch, I'm going to slip stitch again. Like that, all the way across the row until I get to this last stitch. Okay, I worked all the way across the row. There's my last stitch. I'm going to slip stitch in the last stitch. Turn the work. So we're going to repeat that row until the work is the required length. So slip stitch in the first stitch. Single crochet in each stitch all the way across the row, working only in the back side of the stitch. Like that, all the way across the row. When you get to the last stitch, slip stitch. So you're going to keep repeating that row over and over until you have something that looks like this. And you'll know when you have enough rows when you can put it into a circle and these two ends will meet. And it will be concave like this. And when you have it the correct size, you're going to fold it so that the last row and the foundation row are together, and slip stitch to join the two ends. So in through one stitch and in through the stitch on the other side, and slip stitch. Like that, all the way across the row. Okay, I've joined it into a tube, and it sort of looks like a big hat. So now you're going to fold it back like this, And I've threaded some worsted weight yarn into a needle. I don't think the blanket yarn would be strong enough to gather this center section. And I'm just going to pass my needle through, not through every stitch, but about every fourth stitch. Like that. And now pull these together like that. And you're going to tie this off tightly. And for the last knot, make a surgeon's knot, which is through one time, through another time. And that's going to make sure that knot stays put. And if you wanted to be sure, you could weave your yarn ends into the finished work. Like that. Now I'm going to turn it over, and I'm going to do the same thing with this one. Okay, I've woven my yarn all the way around, but before I pull it closed, I'm going to stop and stuff it. Like that. I've got it all stuffed. Now I can pull these two ends closed and tie. Like that, and then you can just arrange your fluffs so that it's nice and round, like that. And if you like in the center, you could sew on a large button. Or you could use my other videos for how to crochet a button. You could crochet some buttons and put those in the center. And that's it. That's how easy it is to crochet the perfect round pillow. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.